Alright everyone, today I'm going to get my nails done again, so I thought I would just do another before and after for you guys. So this is obviously the before, and here is the after. Oh my god, I am obsessed with them. So we kind of did the clear tips, and then we just did like a really light pink towards like the cuticle of the nail, if you can kind of see that, and then just did some like glitter and sparkles. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with how they turned out. my 25th birthday, and we're just about to go pick up some food, because I told Luke like a couple months ago, all I wanted for my birthday was just to go out to eat to Olive Garden, but obviously everything going on, all restaurants are closed, but they're still doing like takeout, so we just ordered some food online, so we're just about to go pick that up, and we'll just have our own little restaurant moment at home. Are you so excited?
No.
I just can't take this seriously because you can't see. You can't see your eyes.
Yep.
Alright, thanks. Let's go check it out for you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect.
Yep. Thank you, you too.
So the first thing that we are going to do is I'm just laying out all of the different flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby and Joann's. So I'm just laying all those out, and then I'm going to start cutting down the stems. The stems don't really need to be that long, so I ended up cutting them down about halfway, and I definitely have my fiance's help with this, just because I'm not very strong, and some of these were a little bit harder to cut than others, but we just used some wire cutters to cut these down, and also to separate the bundles into individual leaves or flowers. That way I could have a little bit more control on where I place them on our arch. And real quick, before we start putting the flowers on or in our flower boards, I just wanted to show you guys real quick on how I secured our foam flower boards to our wedding arch. So I ended up just using 2 of the flower boards and just laying them side by side, and I ended up using the flower wire and I just wrapped it around each of the flower boards a few different times, and I just ended up twisting them, not really in any type of special way. I ended up just twisting them and tying them around the arch just to make them as secure as I could. I would just come on here real quick and do like a proper outro for this vlog. I know this has kind of been a different vlog compared to some of my other vlogs that I've done recently, mainly just because I haven't really had a lot going on. I mean, I feel like all of us right now really don't have a lot going on, but even before all of this craziness, I wasn't really doing too much other than, you know, working and, you know, just kind of living day-to-day life. So yeah, I feel like this vlog is just kind of like a mishmash of like various footage throughout the last couple of months. And yeah, because I haven't really been doing too much, I haven't really been able to show you guys a lot or really even be able to talk to you guys that much, just because nothing really been going on. There really wasn't anything to update you guys on. So I apologize about that. This vlog is a little bit shorter and a little bit more random and unorganized, I guess you could say. So I apologize about that, but I hope you guys liked it anyways. And yeah, if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. And if my voice sounds a little weird, I feel like I have a little bit of a lisp. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear it, but I recently bit my tongue on like this side of my mouth, and oh my god, it hurts so bad. And I must have bit it pretty hard because it's kind of like swollen on the side, and it's kind of like sticking in between like my top and bottom teeth on this side of my mouth. So I feel like it kind of is giving me a lisp. It's definitely going down. It's getting better. The last couple days it was like a lot worse. But yeah, that's why my voice sounds a little bit weird. I guess right now I can just kind of update you on what I'm doing right now. Currently, I'm watching Botched. I'm just catching up on some of the episodes from season 6. And I just filmed my updated Get Ready With Me. I have some new skincare items that I recently got through Monet. And Duval was actually nice enough to send me one of their, facial or body brushes. So I thought I would just do like an updated skincare routine since I got those new skincare products. So I kind of just wanted to show you all my routine and all of those new products that I have. And I'm just like writing down a bunch of notes about all of the different products that I have in that video, all like the points that I want to touch on in that video. So that's what I'm doing right now, and that's about it. So yeah, I'm gonna get going for now. For the millionth time, if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I want to welcome you. If you're someone that enjoys vlogs, other beauty related videos, shopping hauls, all that sort of stuff, makeup related videos. I kind of do a little bit of everything here on my channel, just kind of whatever I like to do. Hobbies of mine and anything that you guys like to do as well. So if this is kind of the channel for you, I definitely hope you subscribe. I would love to have you here. And yeah, I'm gonna get going for now, finish up planning out this video, and I will talk to you all very soon in my other weekly videos and in my next vlog. Bye guys.